Today, we're going to talk about a massive technological shift, one that's putting the incredible power of artificial intelligence into the hands of pretty much anyone with an idea. Yeah, we're diving deep into the world of no-code AI. Okay, let me just start with a huge question. What if you, yes, you, could build your own intelligent app, like right now? I'm talking no Python, no TensorFlow, and definitely no need to hire an expensive developer. It's just you, your idea, and a set of tools that lets you tap right into the power of AI. It might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but this is happening as we speak. This is the no-code AI revolution, and trust me, it's completely rewriting the rules of what's possible. To really wrap your head around why this is such a BFD, we need to look at the massive power shift that's happening in AI development right this second. Think about it like this. The old way of building with AI, it was a grind. It required deep, specialized coding knowledge, a whole team of data scientists, and months, if not years, of work. The new way, well, it's a visual interface that literally anyone can use to build and launch an AI-powered tool, and get this, often in just a matter of minutes. For the longest time, AI really did feel like rocket science, this incredibly complex field that was locked away inside giant tech companies and fancy university labs. But today, right now, all of those barriers are just crumbling down. So, what is this new way of building, really? What exactly is no-code AI? Okay, let's break it down. A no-code AI platform is basically a visual playground for building with artificial intelligence. So instead of typing out endless lines of code, you're using these drag-and-drop components. Think of them like digital Lego bricks to just assemble and launch your app. And the things you can build are genuinely powerful. We're talking about building super smart customer service chatbots, creating apps that can predict future sales trends, or tools that automatically edit your videos for you. You can even build an AI that listens to your meetings and spits out a perfect summary. It's wild. Okay, so that's what's possible, but how does it actually work? How do you go from just an idea in your head to a finished product using these so-called AI blocks? It honestly boils down to this incredibly simple three-step process. First, you just drag the components you need onto a visual canvas. Second, you connect your data and the pre-trained AI models that are ready to go. And third, you just click deploy. That's literally it. Drag, connect, deploy. This completely changes your role from being a programmer to being an architect. You don't need to understand all the complex code running underneath. You just need to have a really clear vision for what you want to create. All right. Theory is great and all, but let's see what this actually looks like out in the real world. I want to show you some amazing examples of no-code AI in action today. For businesses, this is a total revolution in efficiency. You have companies using tools like Voiceflow and Chatbase to build these really sophisticated voice and chat assistants in a matter of hours, a task that, not long ago, would have taken entire development teams months to pull off. And it's not just for big companies. Creators and solo entrepreneurs are using platforms like Bubble, hooking them up with Zapier's AI actions and automating their entire businesses. They're building these powerful workflows for everything from marketing to analytics. The accessibility here is just astounding. I mean, even educators and hobbyists are getting in on this, using free tools like Microsoft's Lobe or Google's Teachable Machine to train their own custom AI models just by uploading photos. No code, no complex math required. It's incredible. And if you're thinking this is just some small niche trend, think again. The scale of this movement is staggering. According to Gartner, the no-code development industry is projected to be worth over $45 billion by 2030. This isn't a ripple, it's a seismic shift in the entire tech landscape. So we've seen what no-code AI is, we've seen how it's already being used out there, but now let's talk about the most exciting part of all, what this technology empowers you to do. This quote just perfectly captures the new reality we're living in. The thing that's holding back innovation is no longer technical skill. The power of AI has been unlocked from the code and placed directly into the hands of creativity. Just think about what that means for a second. The next world-changing company, the next billion-dollar startup, might not come from a team of engineers in Silicon Valley. It could be built by a dreamer, a problem solver from anywhere in the world who just knew how to use these tools. And that, right there, is the fundamental shift. It's about who gets to build our future. And that future belongs to creators, to thinkers, to anyone, anywhere with a good idea. Which really just leaves us with one final powerful question. The tools are here. The technology is accessible. The power is in your hands. So, what will you build?